Hey there, Matt here, and I want to show you the 2.6 ton package, right? So this really is basically the limitations of what you can actually put onto a plant trailer and tow it with a normal ute. Comes in right on 3,400 kilos, okay? Basically the machine, 2.6, so a lot bigger than our 2.3, okay? It's got a Kubota engine in it, okay, which I'll talk about that one in a minute. As part of the standard package, so you've got everything. We put a hydraulic quick hitch on there, so that's already included, rather than having your manual hitch like the 2.3s, etc. You got your 400mm wide bucket, your 1 meter bucket, your plant trailer basically ready to go, full blown hot dipped, super heavy duty, 4-wheel electric brakes, a GVM of 3490, so literally right on the limits of what you can actually do with it, towing behind a normal vehicle. Your 200mm bucket, 600mm bucket, your ripper, your claw, and also your grab. You might want to come in a little bit closer so you can see them all. It's all basically rigged up, set up, ready to go, all chained down. So it's basically the package and the chain down kit. Good machines. I can't really show you too much. They only just fit on the trailer. It was a combination of how can we make this work for you? How can you get the biggest machine possible onto a trailer and still tow it with your 4-wheel drive? And this is basically what we came up with. So when you put it on, you're really tight adjustment wise here, so you don't have a lot of space, only an inch or two, but still totally workable and totally doable. Up the front here, you can see you're nice and tight here as well. So I wouldn't say we've overly gone over the top and pushed the limits, but we've made it beneficial so you can tow it and still got a decent machine. And, you know, some people that buy these, they've got Dodge Rams and they've got small tipper trucks as well, so they've got a slightly higher towing capacity. The machine itself, probably better off coming back to another video and I'll give you a rundown of the actual machine, etc, etc. But overall, good machine, 2.6 ton. The prices are below. If you're interested in this, make sure you make contact with us at office@diggerking.com.au, or alternatively, if you prefer, you can fill in the form at diggerking.com.au/step 3, or give us a call on the 1300 number. Finance, if you want finance, easy as. Most people that buy these, they're already working already. One big thing to note, these don't have retractable tracks. They're wider, they're about 1300 wide, because they're getting into a bigger machine, so they don't have the retractable tracks like 2.3. So anyway, look forward to helping you. Reach out and we'll definitely have a chat about the 2.6 ton package on a trailer.